welcome everyone to one more lecture. Today we will solve subjective questions from previous years. Our first question is, if you toss a die and observe number of dots that appear on the top face, find probability of event that a even number or a number exceeding 3 occurs. Let's say A have. First of all, when we toss a die, sample space for it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's say A is event that an even number appears on the die. So sample space will be 2, 4, 6. And B is event that a number exceeding 3 occurs. That is 4, 5, 6 is sample space for event B. Now we have to find out probability of A and B. Sample space for A and B will be 4, 6, because these two elements are common in both of these sample space. Now we have 2 favorable outcomes and 6 total number of outcomes, so our probability will be 1 by. Our next question is, find proportion of bags which have weight in excess of 505 gram if mean is 500 gram and standard deviation is 2.5 gram, given probability of Z less than 2, 0.4772. We have to find out probability of, let's say if X is weight of bag, weight of bag should be greater than 505. We have to find out probability of X greater than 505. Now we are given the probability value in terms of Z. Z is standard normal variate, which equals to X minus mu by sigma, where X is normal variable and mu is mean value and sigma is standard deviation. Now, if we will change this probability in terms of standard normal variate, this will be probability of Z greater than X is 505 minus mu 500 divided by standard deviation 2.5. Z will be 5 minus 5 divided by 2.5, and that equals to 2. Now we have to find out probability of Z greater than 2. If we will draw the graph of a normal variate, normal distribution, it is symmetric about Z equals to 0, and let's say here is Z equals to 2, then we have to find out this area, and we know the area of this total graph is 1, and we are given with area probability of Z less than 2. We have given this whole area. So now probability of Z greater than 2 will be 1 minus probability of Z less than 2. This will be 1 minus 0.4772. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 4, 5. So our answer will be 5228. This is probability of having a bag with weight in excess of 505 gram. Now let me tell you this one thing. This is a graph of standard normal variate, like normal distribution. Here is standard normal variate and it is symmetric about z equals to 0. And if here is the point minus a and here is the point a, then this area will be equal to this area and this total area will be 1. This area in the left of 0 will be 0.5. Then this area will be 0.5 minus a. And this area will also be 0.5 minus a. So we can use any of these given things alternate. Moving on to our next question. Our question is, if variance for Poisson distribution is 2, find probabilities for x equals to 0 and x equal to 1. Now, first of all, a Poisson distribution is a discrete random variable and its probability function is e raised to power minus first of all, Poisson distribution is a discrete random variable and its probability function is e raised to power minus lambda raised to power x by x factorial. Now, lambda is a parameter of Poisson distribution, and for Poisson distribution, mean equals to variance equals to lambda. Now, we have given the variance for Poisson distribution. So, our lambda will be equal to 2. Now, we have to find out probability of x equals to 0. Putting the values in this formula, e raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 0 divided by 0 factorial. Now we know that anything raised to power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So our answer will be e raised to power minus 2. Now we have to find out probability of x equal to 1. Putting value of x equal to 1 and lambda equal to 2 in this expression, we will get e raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power 1 divided by 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 2 raised to power is 2, so this will be 2 times e raised to power minus 2. This is our answer. Our next question is, a coin is tossed 10 times. What is probability of first exactly 6 heads, second at least 7 heads, and third not more than 2 heads? First of all, this will follow a binomial distribution. Now, for binomial distribution, it is denoted by b, x, semicolon, and comma p, where x is number of success, n is number of trial, and p is probability of success. its probability function is NCX p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x, where q is probability of failure and p plus q equals to 1. This holds for a binomial distribution. So q will be equal to 1 minus p. Now in this question, getting ahead in a trial is our success. So x will denote number of heads, n is number of trials that are 10, and probability of success will be probability of getting ahead, that will be 1 by 2, n is 10, q is 1 minus p, so q will be 1 by 2. Now we have to find out probability of getting exactly 6 heads. So this will be probability of x equals to 6. Putting value of x and n, p and q in this formula, we will get 10c6 1 by 2 raised to power 6 1 by 2 raised to power 4. Now solving this, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 4 into 3 into 2, and that this will be equal to 1 by 1 raised to power 10 divided by 2 raised to power 10. Now we can solve this or we can leave this as it is. This is our answer. This is our expression which will give us our answer. Solving the next part, which is getting at least 7 heads. Now let me just write a few things. Now, getting at least 7 heads means getting 7 heads or more than 7 heads. So this will be probability of x greater than 7, and this will be equal to probability of x equal to 7 plus probability of x equals to 8 plus probability of x equal to 9 plus probability of x equals to 10. So this will be equal to 10c7 1 by 2 raised to power 7 and 1 by 2 raised to power 3 plus 10c8 1 by 2 raised to power 8 1 by 2 raised to power 2 plus 10c9 1 by 2 raised to power 9 1 by 2 raised to power 1 plus 10c10 1 by 2 raised to power 10 1 by 2 raised to power 0. Now if you will note this one thing, in every term, if we will multiply these two terms, we will get 1 by 2 raised to power 10. So we will can take this common. So this will be 1 by 2 raised to power 10 into 10c7 plus 10c8 plus 10c9 plus 10c10. Now we know that 10c10 will be equal to 1, 10c9 will be 10, 10c8 will be 10 into 9 divided by 2, that will be 45, and 10c7 will be 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 6, 3, will be 2, 4, 12 into 10, 120. 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1. So this will be 6, 1, 4 and 2, 7 and 1. 176 divided by 2 raised to power 10. This will be our answer for this part. Next part is probability of getting not more than 2 heads. Probability of getting not more than 2 heads means probability of getting 0 head, 1 head or 2 head, but not more than 2. So this will be probability of x less than equal to 2. This will be probability of x equals to 0 plus probability of x equals to 1 plus probability of x equals to 2. So this will be 10c naught 1 by 2 raised to power 0, 1 by 2 raised to power 10 plus 10c1, 1 by 2 raised to power 1, 1 by 2 raised to power 9 plus 10c2, 1 by 2 raised to power 2, 1 by 2 raised to power 8. We will take 1 by 2 raised to power 10 common. Then this will be 10c naught plus 10c1 plus 10c10, 10c2. So this will be 10c naught will be 1, 10c1 will be 10 and 10c2 will be 10 into 9 divided by 2, 45. So this will be 56 divided by 2 raised to power 10. This is our answer. We can also solve this afterwards. So this will be 8 into 7, 56. So this will be 10, 7 raised to power 2 raised 7 divided by 2 raised to power 7. This is our answer. Our next question is length of life of a washing machine is approximately normally distributed with mean equals to 4 years and standard deviation is 1.5 years. If this type of washing machine have a guarantee of 12 months, what is percentage of sale that will require replacement? When a sale will require replacement? When the machine is got a defect in less than 12 months, because it gives a guarantee of 12 months and 12 months equals to 5 years, and if X denotes the life of a washing machine, length of life of a washing machine, then we have to find out probability of X less than 1, because 1 year guarantee is given. If it got defected in less than 1 year, then we have to replace it. Now, we know that probability of Z greater than 2 is Our next question is length of life of a washing machine is approximately normally distributed with mean equals to 4 years and standard deviation is 1.5 years. If this type of washing machine have a guarantee of 12 months but percentage of sale require replacement. First of all, when will a washing machine require replacement? When it is within the guaranteed time and it got defected. That means if life of a washing machine is less than 1 year, that is 12 months, then we have to replace it. So first of all, if x is length of life of washing machine, then we have to find out probability of x less than 1, because we give a guarantee of 1 year, and if it is defected in less than 1 year, we have to replace it. Now we are given a probability in terms of z. First of all, we know that z is standard normal variate and it equals to x minus mu divided by sigma. Now our z corresponding to one value of x will be 1 minus mu equals to 4 and sigma equals to 1.5. So this will be minus 3 divided by 1.5, that is minus 2. So we have to find out probability of z less than minus 2. Now if we will draw the graph of a normal distribution, this is a bell-shaped curve which is symmetric about z equals to 0. Now let's say here somewhere is minus 2 and here is 2, and we know that it is symmetrical about its mean value, then this area will be equal to this area, and we have to find out this area, and we are given with the value of this area. So this will be equal to probability of z greater than 2, and probability of z greater than 2 is 0.0228. So this is our answer. That's all. We will meet in our next lecture. Thank you.